Have you heard of MiniPay wallets? Do you know you can actually make money online with MiniPay wallets daily without investing or depositing anything? Hello and welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share videos on how to make money online, so make sure to subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. So MiniPay is a wallet where you can buy or sell USDT with almost zero fees, and you can send USDT globally using just a phone number. No need for a wallet address. You can also use it to top up and cash out daily with your local payment method, or buy services like data or airtime or things like that. But apart from this, you can actually make money with it daily, and in this video I'm going to show you how. So you can get it on Play Store, download it and register. It's free. So once you are in, this is what your dashboard or homepage looks like. So go over to apps, look down here, you see wallet, you see pay, you see apps. So you click on apps, and here you see discover. Here are many ways or many things you can do with this app MiniPay. So you click on games, you can play games and you earn rewards. You click on rewards, here is daily rewards. So you claim allowance. You've got cash. Success. So this is just one of them. You also have learn and earn. You also have daily predictions to win big. You also have scratch rewards. Swipe to scratch the card. So I'm going to do it here. Better luck next time. Okay. Let's do another one. Congratulations. Okay. And here's another one. So I'm just going to go ahead to do this last one. So you also have listen and win. You listen to music and there's a leaderboard, which if you enter the leaderboard, you get a chance to win from $2 to $20 to $30. So there are a lot of ways to earn here. And to withdraw, you click on withdraw. You can use USDT to withdraw, or you can withdraw to your local bank. So that's it. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you.